Hello, Year 6. The last thing to show you today is movement along a path for your sprites to move on any path that you want to add into your virtual world. So as you can see, I've added a shark into my first scene. What I need to do now then, I'm going to find the path, okay? And you can see in here, there's different types of paths. I'm just simply going to get a very basic straight line path. I'm going to get my shark to move from one end to the other, and it's going to float along the page. You can drag that along, and in there, I've got my movement path now, okay? So in my coding, I need to make sure my path is on code. Okay, like anything, you've got to make sure everything can be coded. So my straight path can be coded, and my shark can also be coded in there in code spaces. So if I go into my shark, what I'm going to do when players clicked, I want to make sure shark is going to move, okay, on the path. So I need to make sure I've got some movement. I'm going to move my shark along the straight path, and it's going to go forward, and it's going to go forward. We'll maybe make it go slowly, so maybe go forward for 15 seconds. So it's like it's gliding through the water. And maybe also on my shark, I can change the animation just to make sure that it is looking like it is doing an action, a swimming action. Set the animation of the shark, and the animation is going to be, it's going to sneaky swim. Okay, so if I press play in my game, you will see, oh, what's happened? My shark has gone below. So this is a really key thing and a little bit of a lesson to learn from this. We need to make sure in our paths that you've moved them and they are at a higher level. So I move forward in mine. I'm going to add in my path. And what I want to do is I want to make it higher. So I want the path to be higher so it's not swimming underneath the surface. And if I try this now, play, there we go. We've got my shark and it's swimming along in a sneaky swim along the path. Okay, you can add loops in there and different movements, but that's a quick way of using a path feature to add some movement in your world.